Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are seeing the Euro USD melt, okay? We've been waiting to see that happen because we were assuming we were gonna get a dollar buy move, and we finally got it, okay? We finally got it. So I'm about to break down to you guys our Euro USD position that we just called out maybe about 2 days ago on Wednesday in the community, and hopefully we continue to see this thing sell side down to the 120s. All right, let's roll the intro. He's a pattern man, but he doesn't ignore the fundamentals.
Another episode of the Love and Hustle Show.
Okay guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. There is a big move happening right now on the Euro USD, something we were hoping for on Wednesday. I want to just quickly run the tape for you guys, something we posted inside of our community, hoping for that Euro USD sell side move. Let's roll the clip. All right, so we need to be thinking about situations that can basically start to give that dollar a little bit of a boost to the upside, because if people see that in the live economy that things are not going so well, then you should start to see that reverberate over here on this dollar. All right, so you guys see what we ended up getting there. We got that dollar pop, and that's exactly why our Euro U right now is pushing a little bit sell side. What we were looking at was our dollar index, though. This was the actual asset that we were paying attention to, and we basically were saying, hey, look, if we can get a run basically past this 127 level, pretty much an imaginary level, it's not a real price level, because this is our proprietary dollar index. We basically created this because we didn't want the dollar so heavily weighed to the euro, which is what you get when you trade that DXY. So if you guys aren't familiar with our content or our channel, you got to understand how these currency pairs are structured together. It's not so black and white. Okay, so this is our dollar index, perfectly weighed against all other currencies, and you guys can see when anything happens to the dollar, we see it reflected here better than anybody else. This is how most institutions trade it all. They don't trade with the weighted index. Sorry. Okay, so we got that pop here on our dollar. Now, what something else that we ended up catching as well was a little bit of this euro sell side. Now, if you guys notice, we actually didn't get that good of a position on this particular trade because we were waiting for that dollar pop. But before we got that dollar pop, the euro just started melting. Okay, it started melting. If I show you guys, it'll look a little bit better here on TOS. You'll notice that we started to get a run on this Euro USD up here at the 2260s, so the 22 highs, right? So again, we were waiting for that dollar to push back to the upside, and inadvertently, as we saw a little bit more euro risk come on in, Angela Merkel is talking about extending the lockdown, right? We ended up seeing a tremendous amount of sell side come in on that euro, which ended up driving our Euro USD. Thankfully, okay, we did have the euro kind of have a little bit of a stall. Okay, so it did stall on one of these potential days. You guys can see here, it just shows as a wick, but there was a day basically where markets really ran up, and that was an awesome opportunity. And that's pretty much around the area that we got in. And you guys can see with that pop on the dollar, we have now seen the Euro USD pretty much slide quite heavily. So if we can continue to see this dollar here push to the upside and break outside of this pretty substantial but not too substantial range, you guys can notice that the dollar's been kind of meandering around for the past 2 weeks around this price level. I'll draw up some technicals for my technical guys here real quick. Boom, there you go. That's pretty much all we need to pay attention to. If we can get a catalyst to break us outside of this area, then perfect. We'll more than likely take profit. As you guys know, our stops are rolled into profit at this moment, so we're not too fearful of anything going too horrible. We're gonna make money regardless, but it'd be amazing if we can get a little bit more of a run next week in markets, and that's what we're gonna be talking about. If it doesn't happen, that's fine. That's how it works. You got to manage these positions. That's the most important thing. But if it hits your TP, that's awesome. So, guys, there's going to be a lot of fundamentals that come out. I would love for you guys to interact, give me some ideas as to what fundamental catalysts you think could potentially drive this dollar back to the upside. I don't think there's that many. I think this might be a quick grab and go for the dollar, and then eventually this thing might keep running sell side, to be honest. We'll see what happens. Okay, it'd be great. I would love it to keep running to the upside for however long, but based on how markets are going right now, we did get a little bit of a sell side pressure on our S&P 500 today. So maybe market participants are a little bit worried that we just printed a $938,000 jobless claim. Okay, that's quite serious. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if markets start to acclimate to the real economy, and if that's the case, dollar will pop, S&P will fall, and we'll be able to play some mean reversion. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to get inside of the boot camp, link is in the bio. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Okay, trade safe. Peace out.